I'm here on the patio of Westport Beach Escapes number 813. It's a gorgeous ground floor, one bedroom, one bath, luxury condominium. It's it is the closest building actually to the beach here at Westport by the Sea. And from this patio you've got a beautiful water and dune view. And easy access out to the beach. Let's give it a try. This is mid-March, gorgeous day on a Wednesday. You can't get much closer to the beach anywhere on the Washington coast in a beautiful vacation rental condominium. It's amazing. High tide, so there's just going to be a little sliver of beach right now. Westport offers 18 miles of beach starting in the jetty, heading down. The farther south you go, the wider the beach gets. This stretch of beach is not allowable for driving from Memorial Day to September 15th. So it's a very pedestrian-friendly beach, great for kids, dogs, and just some nice solitude like today. Look back around here toward Westport by the Sea. Building 7 and Building 8 are the two closest to the beach. 813 is there on the ground floor right in front of you. If you get a chance, join us at the beach soon. And look at 813. It's a beautiful place that I'm sure you'll enjoy.